In this video, you'll learn how to open Phantom Wallet on the Chrome browser. By following these steps, you will be able to access your wallet quickly and efficiently. Begin by launching Google Chrome on your computer. Locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click it to open the browser. Ensure your internet connection is active, as this will help in loading any extensions you may need. Next, look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window. Here, you will find a puzzle piece icon, which represents the extensions menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down list of all the extensions you've installed in your browser. After clicking the puzzle piece icon, a list will appear showing all your installed extensions. Scroll through this list until you find Phantom Wallet. Once located, click on the Phantom Wallet option. This action will initiate the process to open your wallet in a new window. The Phantom window will now open, prompting you to enter your wallet password. Type in your password carefully to unlock your wallet. It is important to ensure that your password is entered correctly, as any mistakes will prevent access to your wallet. Once you have entered your password, press the Enter key or click the confirmation button to proceed. If the password is correct, you will gain access to your Phantom Wallet, allowing you to manage your assets seamlessly. Remember that if you encounter any issues, you may need to check if the extension is properly installed or if your internet connection is stable. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.